Kia ora koutou, Mr. Maclaren here, and it's Sunday morning, and on some Sunday mornings I like to make a cooked breakfast, and I thought we could film today's cooked breakfast and we could use it for some computational writing, and we can also include some capacity and volume and possibly some fractions in there. So what I want you to do is go and grab a piece of paper and a pencil, and I'll get this bacon on the fryer now, and then I want you to start taking notes about what I'm doing, and we'll add in those things as mentioned as we go. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing. So that's your next part of your computational writing. And the bacon packet says 240 something or other. Is that going to be litres? Is that going to be millilitres? Is it going to be kgs? Or is it going to be grams? I want you to write that down in your instructions for breakfast. Boy, I'm making a right hash of this. Anyway, there's the bacon in. Okay, I've got my eggs ready here. Now in a carton of eggs there's normally 12 in the big carton. I'm going to use 4 eggs. So what fraction of the 12 eggs am I using for our breakfast? Here we go. Okay, now don't forget to be recording everything that I'm doing. It's not going to be hugely detailed. You're not going to be able to get everything that I'm doing here, because otherwise we'll be here for days, and I'm quite hungry, and so's D'Angelo, I know. So I'm putting some milk in. Is that a kg of milk? Is that 3 kgs of milk? Is it kgs at all? I want you to figure that out and write that down for us. Is it measured in kgs? Is it measured in grams? Is it measured in litres or millilitres?
No!
Oh no! I think I might have overcooked these a little bit. Never mind, that's nothing that the fire department can't get out. Right. Hey, what am I doing now? Now, if I was going to get a really even distribution of these baked beans, I could probably count them all out one by one, but that would take ages and would be a bit silly. So there's 420 something written on this can. Is that going to be kgs? Is it going to be litres? You have to figure that out. Now, 420 is going to be a tricky number to figure out equal thirds, because there's 3 of us here. There's myself, Miss Runga and D'Angelo. So what I want you to do is take that 420 and do a close estimate. How much of that 420 will we get each if we're getting 1/3? Now this is the trick that I like to do. I put the spoon back in there so I don't have to keep grabbing a new spoon each time, and that'll keep that nice and clean until this is heated up. I'm going to put this in the microwave. What am I doing now? I just wanted to show this because I'm very, very happy about this. And I only noticed this yesterday. It says the 26th of August on here, and look, it's the little bread tie, and it's made of cardboard, so it's totally recyclable. So this is a great initiative from Plowman's Bakery. So let's hope more bread companies go along and follow along and do this. Right, now here's your question. You've got to write down what I'm doing. I'm going to put some toast on, and at the end when I serve it up, there's going to be 8 halves. 8 halves. So I want to know how many whole pieces of toast am I going to use. We are done. Breakfast is finished. As you can see, D'Angelo's there and he's looking happy and it's ready to eat it all. So what I want you to do, once you've made your log of the things that I've done and you've put in the answers to the things that I've asked, you can then take that piece of paper and publish it onto a Google Doc and send it to me, jmaclaren@stanmore.school.nz, or just take a photo. If you can't publish, take a photo and send that to jmaclaren@stanmore.school.nz. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.